Okay, it's Saturday. Tomorrow we've got a show to go to in Bedford called Tucked at the Park. So my job for today is to clean the Maserati. So let's get to the unit and get that done. Arrived at the unit and on cue it's raining. So while we wait for it to stop, let's do the orders. Finally finished folding all of the BMW merch. That's all neat and tidy. Here as well. You guys went mad on the video ordering these, so now I've got to pack them. Orders are done and now the sun is shining, so let's clean the Maserati. Cue montage. And we're done. She's all clean. Now, I'm not a professional detailer, so please don't come at me in the comments if I did anything in the wrong order. And we're all ready for tomorrow, where I'm going to start the Q&A with Matt. Okay, we're back at the unit. It's now Sunday. We're getting ready to go to Tucked at the Park. I'm going to ask Matt some questions as he's getting his bike ready, because he is riding, if you didn't know. We did go out last night. It was a friend's birthday party. I didn't drink a lot because I was the designated driver, but Matt, on the other hand, got very drunk. So he's feeling a bit delicate this morning. First question from Michael Shepherd. What was your favourite car build?
It's hard because I like them for all different reasons. So, like, my favourite car was the Bentley because that, like, we did loads of things with that. Like, we drove it to Monaco and did all that. My favourite build, like favourite sort of rebuild, was the Golf because it was battered. First time I'd done airbags. And it sort of like looked, well, sick. Yeah, it turned out really good, but it was one of them that sort of, that was the furthest out of my depth at the time, and I thought, oh my god, am I going to be able to do it? And I did it. Yeah, favourite car, Bentley, favourite build, Golf. We've arrived at the next stop, Matt's friend's Kane's house, picking up the Lamborghini, going in a convoy down to Tuck.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
And we're here. We made it. Kevin made it. Matt's gonna ride in a sec. Hopefully don't fall off.
Gonna do some stunts.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask the questions to Matt as we're walking around the cars. Hopefully I can fit quite a few in and film at the same time, but let's just see how it goes. From Amber. Is there a car Matt has bought that you have thought was a bad idea? You know what I'm going to say?
What's that one?
The GTA 6. I don't hate it, I just think that there was...
It's cool. Now you're going to get a lot of hate of that because...
No, but I just think that there's not a lot of them on the road, and I didn't think it'd be as popular as it is. I mean, you proved me wrong, but at the time, I did think it was a bad idea, I'm sorry.
It's a cool car.
Yeah, do you know what? It will look cool at the end, but... I just didn't think that there was that. Yeah! Bastard. Yeah! So this is the colour I was thinking for the 140.
That is bright.
Okay, the Maserati has won an award. Matt hasn't. The car has.
But I ain't going to get up the stage because the stage is literally like a full-on 90-degree kick-off.
So next question is, someone wants to know, what was your first car?
What was my first car?
Yeah.
Ford Fiesta Mark III, 1.1 litre, bad boy.
Mine was a 1.2 Renault Clio.
Take it slow, it's clear. Rolled in with a BMX strapped to the top. So, tell me about your car. Jump out, Matt.
I want to thank my mum for this amazing opportunity, giving birth to me, and chopping up a Maserati Gran Turismo. Thank you.
They want to know how much time we spend editing. I spend about 2 hours on my videos.
I probably spend about 8 hours.
Well, there you go. That's the difference between me and Matt. Back at home now after the Tucked in the Park event. It was really good actually. I was quite surprised at how many people were there. So shout out to Churro for planning the whole thing. It was a sick event. We're off to Audi now and Graham Goo to pick up some new parts for a new car. So let's get in the car. I'll ask Matt a few more questions and yeah, let's go. One question that actually got asked quite a lot. What's going to happen with the Maserati and are you ever going to sell it?
Anything's for sale at a price, but I don't think I'll sell it. I wouldn't sell it out of choice because it's like a sort of one of one car in the UK anyway. Everyone knows if you see that Maserati, it's my Maserati. It's sort of a statement. I go to shows with it. Yes, it is a nightmare, and there's an engine light, a different fault on it every single day of the week, and it's expensive to sort of maintain, but it's my Maserati, and there's sort of a legacy behind it.
I think there'll be the right time for it to go, and we'll know when it is.
Yeah. But
And there'll be the right person to give it to as well.
It's one of those cars that, like, it's just different. Like, no one's ever seen it before. Like, when you drive on the road, everyone's like, what the hell is that? Whether you like it or you hate it. We still need to do like a proper road trip in it. The old idea with that Maserati was that we drive it to Italy, to the Maserati headquarters where they're actually made, and park it outside there, and then get them to share their thoughts on it, because they'll probably hate what I've done to their car, and film the whole road trip of driving to Italy. But obviously COVID happened, so we never got there to do it. So hopefully
Road trip.
we can do that soon. Skiing in the Maserati and then Italy,
Not in it,
but like up the mountain.
in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back at the unit now after getting all the parts we need for the new car. I can see it, it's right there, but I'm gonna let Matt reveal it for you because he can probably do it a lot better than I can. I think I've bombarded Matt with enough questions now, so I am gonna end it there. But there's one more thing I want to show you. We have got some new MA merch, the Hard Work Beats Talent snapbacks. These are going to go pretty quick on the shop, so if you want to grab one before they sell out, link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next one, I think I'm going to do a walk around of all the cars with Matt. He's going to tell me what ideas he's got for each car, and hopefully we're going to pick up the Lamborghini as well, so you've got all that to look forward to. Please like and subscribe this video, comment what you think, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you